Hi guys, we had different visitors today and we've had a cat that came with a black collar on that looks like it does belong to somebody. But we had a bit of an eventful day with the strong 70-mile-an-hour winds. Not much came, so I just put a little bit of food out. But we did have the squirrel and we did have Mr. Stewart come and go. We had a few other different visitors, as you can see in the video. But we also had an eventful night with the budgies in the house as well. So I've done a clip of that as well to show you just how the wind has been spooking even the indoor animals. And it also must have taken the energy out of my Mary, my rabbit, because she fell asleep on my bed. So happy visiting. Enjoy the video. I should say hi guys. We've got a bit of a windy blow going on outside and the budgies have been spooked, so I've come into the living room to give them a bit of comfort and sing My Little Sunshine and move their cage away from the window bit and close the curtains. I don't normally, but this is just how docile these birds are. I'm just going to leave that there. Might get nipped a bit. I don't know if she'll do it right now, but I don't know if you can see this. She's not after it, but I do get nipped a bit. That never happens normally. Sage? Jonathan? Hey! Give up. As you can see, the wind has got it up 'em. You need to pack it in. They keep fighting, but I don't know why. And that's Bill. You've got to be careful with him because he can give you a nasty nip. If he's in the right state of mind, you can get a nasty nip off of that one. But yeah, you've got Kipper in the back. Sage down here. That's Rubble. That is actually female, but I keep calling it male. And then right here, you have Billy, or Bill, as he's also known. But I'm going to shut this door before we have any problems. I'm going to jolt the door. But yeah, that's that one. I hope they're all right now. But good night. And in this cage, you have Squirt and Yoda. And we should somewhere have a Benjamin. But I usually have to check curtain tracks as well because they are a bugger for getting out. But Benjamin is right there. But I'm going to get this baby off the side of the cage. And to do this, you just use your finger and you just rub it. There we go, that's done that. And then it's there. Go. And you got mum and dad there. Bye guys. Hi guys, I can't get any arrows on my thing. I can't do anything like that because the bottom part of my screen and my phone has stopped working. So you're just going to have me talk through half of this video. There's a lot of visitors came and went. There is a squirrel that came. I can't point it out, but the top right hand corner and the bottom left hand corner, there is the squirrel that is either eating or leaving. And if you look at the bottom part of the actual clip on the bottom right, there is a hedgehog in the bottom right and a hedgehog in the top right. So that's as far as I can tell you. Otherwise, you'll have to just enjoy the video and look out for the different things inside the pictures and the video clips, as I can't do anything else about it. My phone is just not wanting to work at the moment and I don't know why. Enjoy the video. It's Mr. Ginger Tom. Hello. You come to say hello.
Bloody hell, we've nearly had it.
Happy visiting. Nice to meet you. Who is it? It's my regular. Need a better name than my regular. Hello, darling. You come for supper? I've come to get my rabbit. Yeah, I've come to get my Miss Mary who's in the hutch here. Hello. How do you do today? Happy visiting. Hi, guys. Guess who's arrived? It's Mr. White. He's come to say hello. Hello there. Nice to see you. Come close and say hello. Are we okay to come say hello? 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 You come for your supper? Did you like that? Did you? There. You're beautiful. You are, you're beautiful. Happy visiting.